Fabulous people! Welcome to the channel for all the babes who create their own life trends. My name is Anastasia, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a personal stylist slash personal shopper in Rome, Italy. And today I'm going to share with you what to wear in summer in Italy. So many of you reached out recently asking me about Italian style, and today I'm going to share with you exactly what to pack for Italy, what not to wear in Italy, and of course, all the summer packing essentials for Italy you absolutely need to bring. As always, this video is going to be quick, beneficial, and straight to the point. Now, before we begin, please remember to smack that like button. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, please consider subscribing. All right, fabulous people, now let's start packing for Italy. Before we begin, let me just tell you, this summer in Italy, my God, the temperatures are out of control. We are all feeling like on the set of a music video, it's getting hot in here because honestly, all we want to do is wear as little clothes as possible. Guys, it is very, very hot. So my first tip actually has to do with not bringing anything synthetic for Italy. Guys, your best friends are going to be linen and cotton. With that said, the first item that I definitely recommend packing for all the females is dresses. I absolutely love dresses. I think they work so perfectly, especially on vacation when you don't have a lot of time to sit in front of your wardrobe and to figure out how to mix and match different pieces. I think they're just so easy to style. You throw on a dress, a few pieces of jewelry, nice cute pair of sandals or tennis shoes, and you are good to go to enjoy Italy, to take those cute Instagram pictures and just to look cute for yourself. And honestly, guys, as far as what kind of summer dresses you need to pack, it depends on the cities that you will be visiting, because obviously, let's say Positano style is going to be completely different from Rome style. The second item that is on my list is, of course, a pair of shorts or a few pairs of shorts. It just depends how often you like to wear shorts. But one thing that I want to mention is the length, the appropriate length of shorts in Italy. Now, if you are going to be visiting big cities like Milan, Florence, or Rome, I strongly recommend for you to wear Bermuda style shorts. Those are the shorts that generally acceptable in all the Italian big cities. And at the same time, this way, you will be able to visit all the churches and all the establishments that do require for you to wear something that pretty much covers your knee. Now, if you plan on visiting beach towns in Italy and you love wearing short shorts, then definitely you can pack as many short shorts as you'd like and wear them on a regular basis there. In beach towns, there are no rules in Italy as far as the length of the shorts. You can wear as short shorts as you'd like, any style, whatever rocks your boat. Now, to go along with short shorts or Bermuda shorts, I strongly recommend for you to pack as many basic t-shirts as you can or as you'd like, because honestly, I personally love basic t-shirts. I'm a huge fan because they're just so easy to style, again, with skirts and shorts, jeans. They go pretty much with anything and everything. So definitely bring some nice cotton t-shirts and pair them with those Bermuda shorts or short jean shorts. Now, if you prefer skirts instead of shorts, then yes, absolutely pack some skirts for big cities as well as beach towns. Just please keep in mind again that for big cities, your length of skirt, if you plan on visiting again churches, needs to be appropriate. So I would opt for midi skirts, especially if you plan on visiting churches that day, churches or cathedrals. And don't shy away from pants and shirts. Just make sure, guys, that they are linen. And I know I'm not gonna go there. I've talked about linen enough in all of my videos, but in my opinion, guys, linen is the best fabric for the summer season, especially when it's extremely hot, because linen is just so breathable and it is so chic. And when you come to Europe or Italy in particular, you will see how many Italians wear linen on a regular basis, and they look so put together, so chic and so stylish. So if you've never worn linen, I definitely recommend for you to give it a chance, especially when you travel to Italy. All right, now let's talk about shoes. Of course, never ending discussion. Now I'm going to make it very, very simple for you. So as far as flip-flops, I know you all know by now, it's a no in big cities, unless there has been some modification to this rule, as the fashion, of course, always moves forward. If they are leather flip-flops, it is now acceptable to wear them in big cities. So the only exception to this rule, if your flip-flops are leather. If they're leather, feel free to wear them in big cities. And for the rest of you guys, what I recommend is to wear a nice sleek pair of tennis shoes or sandals for the daytime, and then loafers for the evening time. Trust me, those shoes are absolutely perfect for big cities. Now, when it comes to beach towns, again, no rules. You can wear espadrilles, you can wear flip-flops, tennis shoes, sandals, whatever you guys prefer. The rules in beach towns are way more relaxed. Now, of course, you're going to ask me about the heels. And ladies, my sincere opinion is to bring maybe one pair of high heels, and that is it. And make sure to bring it in a neutral color that you can pair pretty much with any outfit. Now, when it comes to accessories, probably the most important accessory of them all in Italy is a pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses, guys, are an absolute must in Italy, and as a matter of fact, they are a must year-round. You will see Italians wearing sunglasses even during the winter time. So sunglasses are an absolute must. I do encourage you to invest in a good pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes from those rays, and at the same time to look stylish and chic in Italy. Italians do tend to spend more on things like sunglasses, shoes, bags. So if you want to invest in a good pair of sunglasses, maybe before your trip to Italy or during your trip to Italy, I would say absolutely do it. Now, the next thing that is an absolute must is, of course, a sunscreen. Sunscreen, guys, trust me. Oh my goodness, an absolute must. And it doesn't matter if you're staying in beach towns or exploring any of the big cities, please make sure to bring lots of sunscreen. Or of course, you can get it here in Italy at any pharmacy. And also make sure, guys, that during the summer you're staying hydrated, and make sure that you're not wasting money on buying water. Pack a water bottle like this one and just keep refilling it, guys, pretty much at any fountain on the zone that you see. And guys, that will not only save you a lot of money, but also you will be helping the environment. And guys, honestly, water bottles are just such must pack when you visit Italy in the summertime. Now, finally, guys, well, not finally, we're getting there, we're almost there, is a cover up. And when I say cover up, I say it can be a nice light cardigan or a scarf, or something to cover your shoulders, because if you plan on visiting, again, churches or cathedrals or any place that requires a certain dress code, then definitely make sure to pack something like that, especially if you have a lot of strappy dresses or tops. Then those kind of things, just throw them in the bag and carry them with you throughout the day. And if you do not want to do it, then again, opt for those T-shirts that I showed you earlier, because with those you don't have to worry about this kind of things. You will be able to wear them into any church. Now, you will need a light scarf if you're visiting any of the beach towns in the evening time, because they can get a bit windy. So bringing a light scarf is actually not that bad of an idea, because that will assure you that during the evening times you still have something to cover yourself up in case it gets a little bit chilly. Now, the next item on my list is a straw hat. I personally love straw hats. The only thing that you guys need to keep in mind about straw hats is that they are a no-no in big cities. You cannot wear a straw hat in Florence, Milan, or Rome if you do not want to stand out as a tourist. Trust me, Italian women would never wear hats, straw hats, in big cities. Now, when it comes to beach towns, absolutely, you can definitely wear all the straw hats you want. A lot of times people are asking me what they should bring as far as the bag. Should you bring a crossbody bag or a backpack? And honestly, guys, I think that it is just a matter of preference. I love crossbody bags. I love backpacks. The only thing that I would keep in mind when it comes to backpacks is that be sure to keep them very close to your body, or even just move them up front when you're in public transportation. Now, if you are not planning on using public transportation, then you're fine. Just please make sure when you're carrying them around that you are always aware of your surroundings. Now, with crossbody bags, I think it's a little bit of a different story. I do believe they're a bit safer, but the downside of crossbody bags is that they're not as spacious as backpacks. So what I recommend is to keep all your important documents like passports and credit cards and whatnot inside your crossbody bag, and then to keep all the light sweaters, scarves, bottles of water, etc. in your backpack if you have that option. And as a bonus, I'm going to share with you some fashion tips to keep in mind when you're going to start packing for Italy. Number one, do not just throw random things into your luggage hoping that somehow it's going to work out. Make sure that you know exactly what you're bringing. And my secret to having a lot of different outfit options is to make sure that most pieces that you're going to be packing match perfectly between each other. Tip number 2, leave a little bit of extra space in your suitcase for shopping. Please remember that around July 2nd, one of the biggest sales in Italy begin. And what that means for you is that you will be able to score some incredible Italian pieces at amazing prices. And if you're sitting at home and saying, oh, I wish I was in Italy right now so I can do some shopping and get some incredible deals, please remember that you can always do a personal shopping with me online, and I will be able to go shopping for you here in Italy and then send those packages anywhere around the world. So many men and women from France, US, Canada, Australia, Dubai, you name it, done personal shopping with me online, and they've been happily enjoying their Italian pieces around the world. And of course, if you plan on visiting Italy in person, then I would love to organize a private shopping experience for you with me based on your specific preferences. everything from visiting unique stores and artisan boutiques with only made in Italy clothes to doing private shopping in some of the top luxury boutiques in Rome, to visiting top atelier for bespoke suits and shoes, and of course, getting a private tour of those places where your shoes and suits are made so you can see it with your own eyes, the entire artisan process, which is so rare nowadays. And yes, I am talking about bespoke suits. I'm not talking about made to measure. We are not talking about that kind. We're talking about the best of the best, which is a bespoke suit, of course. So if you're interested in doing some personal shopping, personal styling with me here in Rome in person or online, then definitely send me an email and I promise to respond to everyone as always within 24 hours. And finally, guys, don't forget to pack a clothes steamer and a roller for your trip to Italy. Please remember that in Europe in general and Italy in particular, people pay very close attention to not only what you wear, but how you wear it. So it is very important that your clothes is wrinkle-free, that everything is tucked in, everything is accessorized nicely with style, and every single piece matches perfectly between each other. So please keep that in mind when you select your outfits in the morning before heading out. All right, fabulous people, thank you so much for packing for Italy with me, and I truly hope that you found this video useful and beneficial. And before you go, please remember to smack that like button. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe, and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, please consider subscribing. And I truly hope to see you all in the next video. The biggest kiss from Rome, Italy.